Today we learn the biggest structure widget in Flutter, Scaffold, and its app bar. Scaffold provides the framework for the entire screen. Inside Material App, every screen body is a scaffold. The most important properties are app bar and body. App bar is the top bar with the app title and icons. Center title true puts the title in the middle. In Actions, you add icons on the right side of the bar, like a search or settings icon button. In body, you place the main content of the screen, text, images, lists, everything. Floating action button is a round button at the bottom right corner. Chat apps and notes apps use it for their main action. Without Scaffold, you would have to manage the status bar, background color, and layout yourself. That is why every Flutter developer uses Scaffold in every screen. Practice. Create a new project, change the app bar title, put a text in the body, and add a floating action button that prints a message when tapped. Once you master Scaffold and app bar, you can build any app.